Hey, I'm going over to my sister's house to help do a roof patch on a skylight that's leaking. So I'm going to get some wet and dry patch. It's been raining for weeks now, a week and a half, and I got to get a roof patch in while there's really good hot weather today. Henry's wet and dry roof patch. Henry's. Get it. Hi, this is wet patch.
All right, $21.73. That's it.
Okay.
All right, there you are. Have a great day.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Road closed. Nuts. Okay, let's find another spot. Hi again.
Hello.
I'm going to Vashon. Good day to travel on the waters.
Thank you. Lane number 1.
Thank you. Yeah, this is Oscar on my way down to visit my mom. My sister's gonna be there. I'm gonna look over somebody's shoulder on a roof repair. Gotta be real careful. It's a flat roof, so it shouldn't be an issue. But you know what? When there's never an issue, that's when you want to be careful. Because that's when it's going to get you. So I'm over here on Vashon, some kind of a reclusive island in the middle of a metropolitan area. Stopped at the store. This is a thriftway. So I got some salmon, I got some avocados, I got some materials for make a burrito. I've got some mangos for her, and so it's a real special little treat for to see her today, and then also to help out on a little roof patch. Apparently there was a little leak. So hope to be able to check that out quick and get that. It's a nice beautiful day. Okay, I made it to my mom's place. There's some sunshine in the sky. I'm going to attempt to do a little small roof patch around the skylight.
Is it too close to the wall?
All right, here's my mom's house. Beautiful new roof on it. Got skylights on it. It's a new roof. It's a flat, older part of the roof, but it's leaking on a new roof. It's leaking at the top of the skylight right here. It's leaking right over here into the house quite significantly with a heavy rain. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so we're on this roof. It's a newer version of roll roofing, and they butted up the installers ran the roll roofing up to the edge of the skylight, and of course there's flashing under there, so there's probably tar and adhesive. But as you can see, it's starting to dry and crack. Mm-hmm. And so what we're going to do is put another layer over the top of that. So we're just going to come along after this is clean and just put another layer over the top of these potential leaks. You can see here that there's some cracks. Okay, yeah, this is fairly new roof. It's not brand new, but it's fairly new and nice, well done. But we got to do a little maintenance. Okay, we'll get this can open. Get going on this. Okay, so we're just going to go around on each one of these skylights and run a bead, a little angle, chamfer, cove type seal, and then that will do. Light duty roof repair today. A little bit of a mastic tar patch. Okay, we got some more materials and another stick and some materials. Knee pad, homeowner knee pad. I got my nice new tennis shoes on, white, fairly new. Not good. Have to go down and change them out or be extra careful. Idea, we're sealing around the chimney and all these skylights. Sealing around the edge. And there's Emma sweeping ready for the last one. Gonna be working on the last one soon. Hey, be careful on the edge there, Emma. Yeah, completed the skylight maintenance. Sealed around the edges, sealed around the fireplace. 4 skylights, really nice looking roof. Ready for another blast of rain. Ready for the winter. Got some good sunlight here. You only get a few hours of sunlight out here in the woods, especially in the winter. So this is over on Vashon. Oh, we're getting my light flare. All right. Get my light flare. Okay, over on Vashon Island, playing around with lights. Okay, so we sealed around there. The chimney was the one that was leaking. Right around that one. Nice good coat of that all the way around. Okay, completed the volunteer assist for my parents and the roof repair.